So here we are, the secret Archean Vault of Secrets. Hey, how can it be a secret if we... Oh, never mind. The actual vault itself is at the other end of the canyon, and is completely underwater. I guess underwater secret vaults were all the rage 10,000 years ago. Anyway, the only way we're going to be able to get in there is if we can lower the water level. Hey, looks like something triggered the automated defense systems here. Don't let these guys shoot us. Shoot them instead. Use the attack button. Want to see something cool? Press the secondary attack button. Yeah, that is one powerful punch. Hey, you just punched a generator. Punching a generator gives us extra shockwave power. Now if you want to see something really cool, press the action button. That's a generator. Punch it. Excellent. Shoot all the copters. Ouch. Here's the first generator. All you need to do is route power to the dam. Once that happens, you can open the dam from the other side. I'll meet you over there.
Skylanders of the Earth element are strong.
Rock and roll!
Stronger in this zone.
Archean bomber. Next time, dig deeper.
Way to go. Power has been restored.
I can bash with the best!
Level up.
Rounded and pounded! Run, run!
Level up.
Let the good times roll! Whoa! Run, Run, Pebble! Get ready to rock!
Looks like you'll need to complete a lock puzzle to turn on the power. Who would build something like that? Nice going. We sure make a great team. Now hop on, and let's find the next dam. Somehow, I've got a feeling that things are about to get a little tougher. These copters are a pain. Wipe out all these guys. Hey, you just punched a generator. Punching a generator gives us extra shockwave power. Now if you want to see something really cool, press the action button. And we just caused a major shockwave, and each one of those enemies is sure sorry we did. Uh-oh. Shooting this guy's not going to get us anywhere. You'll need to throw those big punches when he's vulnerable. Be sure to wait until he's vulnerable before punching him. Punch him. Take him out. And down goes the other robot. All right. Fantastic. Ouch. Ouch. Don't forget about using my punch attack. Punch all these guys. Don't shoot these generators. Punch them. Way to go. Okay, here we are, dam number 2. And it looks like it also needs power. Activate the generator. Then get to the control panel to open the dam. I'll meet you on the other side.
Skylanders of the tech element
Bring the boom!
are stronger in this zone.
Blink and destroy.
Level up. Level up.
Robot. Successful.
It was Ankh Beekman who first wrote, "The eyes are the window to the mouth, the mouth the doorway to the eyes." In Brock's Rumbletown, a certain totem's eyes and mouth can allow access to another kind of doorway. But Ankh would not know of this, as it is one of many villages the celebrated penguin novelist is banned from entering.
Level up.
Iron Shield Juggernaut.
Level up.
Awesomeness. Fun. Excellent.
You did it. Now there's nothing stopping us from getting to the vault. Except, probably, a bunch more of those arcane security droids. Punching the generator gives us extra shockwave power. Shoot them all down. Ouch. That guy's swinging around for another pass. Take him out. Hey, it's another one of those big robots. Guess he doesn't know who he's messing with, huh? Uh-oh. Looks like he's got a buddy. Now, punch it. Take him out. Take that. Now, punch it. Take him out. Boom. You mess with the best, you go down like the rest. Shoot all the copters. Excellent. These copters are a pain. Ouch. There it is. The not-so-secret Archean Vault of Secrets. You'll need to restore power before we can open it. Good thing you know just how to do that. After that, you'll need to make your way to each ring's control panel to unlock them.
Skylanders
Stay cool.
of the
Light core.
Yes, it was wise to seek me out. You could probably use some gear. What looks good to you today? Return whenever you deem it necessary. Cheerio.
Ice bar.
What looks good to you today?
All fired up.
What looks good to you today?
Stay cool. It's cold at the top. A very cool choice. The spoils of victory. Ice up!
You'll need a tech Skylander to unlock this gate.
got the home field advantage here.
Hey, a Skylander! All right! I've been in here for hours trying to find a special hat that the Archean supposedly left behind. But yeesh! It's pretty tricky. Maybe you'll have better luck than I did.
Booyah!
Level up.
You did it. I can't believe it. Well, actually, I can. It's just an expression. Now, I'll open this up, and the map to Arcus should be right inside.
Well, look who managed to beat me to the vault. It's a stupid Skylander in his stupider robot. I'd love to stay and chat, but I'm afraid I have a map to steal. To the lost city of Arcus, and it's mine. Look, Glumshanks, the map. It senses my awesome presence and is revealing its secrets. Soon the Iron Fist of Arcus will be mine, and I will be the ruler of all Skylands. What have you done?
Clearly, Globstinks is to blame.
Wait, what?
Ah! It was right there! The hidden location of the city of Arcus. Glumshanks, didn't you see it?
Yeah, but only for a second. I can't remember.
Silence! Wait. Actually, you can remember. And with my help, you will remember. Robot! Take me home!
Oh. Those rocks hurt a lot more than it might have looked. Don't think I'm going to make it. But I was able to hear that ugly guy inside the vault. He found the map, but destroyed it. Then he said something about home. That's all I can remember. Goodbye, Skylander. Congratulations on almost stopping chaos. Now, goodbye.
Wonder what Chaos meant when he said he was returning home. He already destroyed his flying fortress.
Yeah, I distinctly remember saying boom in a very literal way when we did.
Probably just means the home he grew up in. You know, way out in the east and west section of Skylands.
Well, it's worth a shot. We have no other leads. Flynn?
Yeah, I'm with you, Callie. I'll just set course for the eastern... western... gonna have to explain that one to me a little better.
Bolts and lightning.
Locked and loaded! Ha 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 ha! Hawk and door! Slash and burn! Brace for the mace!
All fired up.
Deal with the wheel!
Well, hello. Care to do a little shopping? Excellent. Let's just see what items I have for you today.
Okay, so we've just about made it to Chaos's old neighborhood. You ready to go? Alrighty, I'll just... What the?
It was those Archean security copters. They must have followed us from the vault. I think we're out of range now, but we took a major hit.
Oh, you're kidding me. We just got this thing fixed.
We're a sitting duck out here. Let's take the lander to the nearest island and see if we can find someone to fix our ship.